Hello guys, today I'm back with another video. Today we're making some fresas con crema, and for this recipe you're gonna need some strawberries, some cream, some pineapple, some sweetened condensed milk. You're also going to need some walnuts and some sugar. So the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and slice our strawberries. Then we're gonna go ahead and slice our pineapples. This is a really quick and easy recipe. Then we have our walnuts. We wanna go ahead and crumble some walnuts on top. And measurements really don't matter for this recipe. It's all up to you on how much you want. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add some of our sour cream. And we're gonna add some sugar. For sugar, I think I might have added a little too much sugar, no lie. But yeah, like I said, it's all up to you. If you want to add more sugar than what I did, you can. If not, you can add less. Then we're gonna add some sweetened condensed milk. And once we're done with that, we want to just go ahead and start mixing everything. And that's it for the recipe. It's really nice and easy, really quick, perfect for parties. And yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.